Good Saturday morning to you. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. This is your outlook for November 9th, 2013 and November 10th, 2013, so Saturday and Sunday. And we're starting off with today. This is this afternoon, Saturday afternoon on the GFS. And we have a system that's going to be passing up to our north here, moving across fairly quickly from west to east here. I think this is going to stay to the north for the most part. But we will have some high clouds that will filter in the afternoon on Saturday from northwest to southeast across our coverage area. Maybe areas to the south will probably stay mostly sunny the entire day and not be affected by any of these high clouds moving through here. But we will have a few of those in our northern counties here as the system moves eastward. Here's the overnight period, and we're going to allow for a spotty shower here just because the GFS is showing it here. Either a rain or snow shower, might just be a flurry or a spritz, nothing, no big deal. The NAM high res future simulated radar has nothing in this time frame, so this is going to be probably just a hit or miss type thing, not a big deal. See, the system here on Sunday afternoon is now sitting over southeastern Canada and heading due east as it heads up into the Canadian Maritimes after this point here. One thing for certain on Sunday is we're going to have some breezy conditions once again. Temperatures are going to swing to the west and then northwest, and we're going to have some a wind sustained 15 to 25 Sunday afternoon, and we could have gusts higher than that. So we'll have some more leaves come off the trees definitely this weekend. Now we're going to have some big changes here as we get into the middle part of the week here. And we're talking about a big storm here, the possibility. Didn't give it much of a chance at all, but we only give it a 20% shot of happening, and it doesn't look like it's going to happen now. But we will have an Arctic front that's going to push south here. And here's Monday afternoon. You see this Arctic front that's actually sitting right up here, has some snow showers associated with it. This cold front here that's going to come through is going to mean business, and it's going to be a real shock as far as temperatures dropping as we get into the Tuesday and Wednesday time frame especially. It'll probably be the coldest 2 days, and what we're looking at here's Monday afternoon. Monday looks like it's going to be a temperate day. You're going to have winds that are going to be generally coming in from the west here, so we're not going to have a warm day ahead of this front because it's the direction it's coming from, kind of dropping from the north here. So we're not talking about southwesterly winds and a big warm up ahead of it. We're talking about temperatures that are going to be near normal for this time of year on Monday. And then as we get a little bit further in time here, you see this cold front moving southeast here, and this is all snow that's associated with it. This is going to be a quick hitter, just like when a cold front comes through and you get a quick couple showers and whatnot. And here's Monday evening, actually getting into northern counties at this point. And then overnight, you see what happens overnight here. Temperatures drop below freezing, and you get some light snow showers that are going to pop across the area here. This is just going to be not something we're expecting to stick in many areas. You might have some dusting, some coatings out of this. I would not be surprised if that happens. It probably could be limited to a grassy surfaces in the cars and things like that. But would not be surprised to see that happen over this area here overnight Monday night into very early Tuesday morning. And the GFS, among other models, have been showing this consistently over the last couple runs with this Arctic front moving through here. So I would think generally the areas that you would be north and west of Philadelphia, not expecting any kind of accumulation down in these areas here in South Jersey and Philadelphia here, but up in the northern areas here, northeastern PA, east central PA, say from Harrisburg, Allentown over to Newark and points northwest, where for that line anyway, points northwest, you could see a quick dusting if you get one of these snow showers move across the area here with temperatures being down near freezing. And then the next frame, it actually shows it down here in Philadelphia as well. But I think it's just going to be something that's going to kind of set the mood and just remind us that winter is on its way and right around the corner. So nothing that's going to be impacting travel or anything like that. Just something that you'll see a few flakes flying. It'll just to give you that little feel of winter, so to speak. But one thing's for certain is the winds are going to shift to the north here behind this front here, and it's going to be downright cold on Tuesday and Wednesday, with many locations not even getting to the 30s. As you get up here in northeastern PA, east central PA, northern New Jersey, you'd be struggling to get out of the 30s and in the 40s here down closer to the metro area in Philadelphia. Then as we get forward in time even further than that, Same thing is going to be true on Wednesday, where it's going to be remain chilly here, with temperatures still out of the north or maybe the northwest here. But high pressure is going to be dominating here. You see the high pressure sitting right here, and because we're under high pressure influence, this system down to that was supposed to be our coastal system that was showing up the models a couple days ago, or within the last couple days, and have since lost that idea. Is now moving offshore and out to sea. It's the latest GFS, still showing that same idea of this system just heading aimlessly off the coast, and you can't even see it on this picture here whatsoever. It just doesn't come up the coast at all, doesn't phase or anything like that. It just heads harmlessly out to sea. Taking a look at the European model, here's the same idea with this cold front here on Tuesday, with the snow showers moving through early Tuesday morning. And then from that point forward, it just moves southeast, and just similar to what the GFS does, just some very light snow showers. And here's what the European model did today. Here's that system that was earlier in the week showing coming up the coast and giving a good snowfall to the interior. It is no longer doing that, and actually is taking this system further offshore here. You can see that just taking off, and see you later. There it goes. So this system is expected to continue on that path out to sea. We're in a progressive pattern. We've argued all week that the pattern was very progressive, so it'd be hard to get a system to, without any blocking in place, to come up the coast here, and it looks like that's going to be the case. One last thing to mention, with My Pocket Meteorologist program has been a great success so far. We've had hundreds of people sign up for this service, and it's a text alert and email alert service, but we also have a premium service that some of you have taken advantage of. I think we have about 100 people that sign up for that service, which is our Facebook back channel chat, where you can kind of rub elbows with one of our meteorologists on staff and just discuss the upcoming storms and the overall pattern for the winter. And we also have an exclusive model analysis page that Mike DeFino does that will show each and every model run as it comes in a range that's showing for an upcoming storm. And right now we have that going on, but just to keep an eye on this system that's currently showing going out to sea, but just in case something changes. There's still a very slim chance it might, but we're still running around the clock model guidance analysis with that system just in case. So if you do have a chance to take a look at that, if you haven't done so already, check out the My Pocket Meteorologist page for information about signing up and joining the hundreds that have already done so. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your weekend outlook for November 9th and November 10th, 2013. Have a great one.